Ever wanted your Gree AC to turn on or off automatically exactly when you need it? That's where the timer feature comes in. And today I'll walk you through how to set it up step by step using your Gree remote. But before we get into the timer, there's one important thing you need to do first. Set the clock time on the remote. Without this, the timer won't work properly. So here's how you set the clock. Press the clock button on your remote. Then use the temperature up and down buttons to adjust the time. Try to match it with the time on your phone for accuracy. Once that's done, press the clock button again, and you're ready to move on. Let's say you're coming home from the office on a hot summer day, and you want your room to feel cool and comfortable the moment you walk in. The best way to do that? Set your AC to turn on before you get home. For example, if you usually arrive around 6 p.m., you can set the timer to turn the AC on at 5 p.m. That way, by the time you open the door, the room is already nice and cool. No waiting, no sweating, just chilled air welcoming you home. Now let's say you want the AC to turn on by itself at a specific time. To do that, press the Timer On button. The time will flash, don't confuse it with the clock time we set earlier. Use the temperature up and down buttons to select the time at which you want the AC to start. For example, if you want the AC to start at 5 p.m., set 5 p.m. Once you've chosen the time, point the remote towards the indoor unit and press the Timer On button again to confirm. You'll see On appear next to the time on your remote screen. That means the timer on is set. Changed your mind? No problem. Just press the Timer On button again, and the on indicator will disappear. That cancels the scheduled start time. Imagine it's bedtime, and you like falling asleep with the AC on, but you don't want it running all night. You can use the off timer to fix that. Let's say you go to bed at 11 p.m. Then you can set the timer to turn the AC off at 2 a.m. So you still get those first couple of hours of cool comfort while you drift off to sleep, but after that, the AC shuts off automatically, saving energy and keeping you from waking up in a freezing room. Now, to set the off timer, press the off timer button. Then use the up and down temperature buttons to select the time you want the AC to stop running. Then point the remote at the indoor unit and press the off timer button again to activate it. The word off will show up beside the time on the display. That means it's set. And if you want to cancel it later, just press the off timer button again and the off indicator will go away. You can also set both on and off timers at the same time. For example, turn the AC on at 6 p.m. and off at 11 p.m. It's a great way to stay comfortable and save energy without having to touch the remote every time. That's it. Timer settings made simple. If you found this useful, give the video a like. Subscribe for more AC tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll try to answer as soon as I can.